Good morning, please take a seat, Juliet. Good morning, thank you very much. Interview. What is your name? Juliet. My name is Juliet Cano. Interview. That profession do you have? I am an industrial engineer from UNAT University. Uh, tell me like, tell me little more about yourself. As I told you, I am in industrial engineering technologies in integrate management system specialists in good manufacturing practice and internal auditor in quality environment, health and safety and food defense. And where is your work experience from? My last work experience is at Smurfit Kappa International. Um, we do you want to work for this company? Um, I have investigated the company specialty, and I think it adapts to me academic field, which my experience I can have several opportunities for improvement. Mm, what are your goals for the future? My goals, my, my objectives is are from professional and economically. Um, mm, in, eh, what are your grades and weaknesses? My great strengths are leadership, resourcefulness, and loyalty. As for weakness, they are creating opportunities for improvement, including time optimization. Um, okay, nice to meet you. Thank you very much.